Hi everyone. Welcome to our family vlog. And lately nga, no, we had a chance to go out with the family. Kasi Zootopia 2 showing na siya. So the kids would love to watch it sa cinema. Kaya we took them out. And at the same time kasi papatingin namin yung eldest namin para doon sa eyes niya. So we took this chance. Sakto showing din ng Zootopia. So we went to the mall, booked our tickets. Luckily, maaga yung nakuha namin. So, maganda yung seating namin. At siguro parang nasa gitna kami. So, maganda yung nakuha namin na seats. And then, after we got our tickets, we went to the optometrist. Kasi patitignan namin yung anak namin para doon sa eyes niya. So, here we're already in the optometrist. Dito kasi siya dati nagpatingin, so she has records here already. And we're waiting in line kasi meron pang mga pasyente yung doktora. So while waiting, we decided to go out. And then we saw this store sa tabi ng optometrist. Bago siya eh. So we went inside and to our surprise, napakalaki pala niya. Para siyang warehouse. Mostly Chinese products. Natutuwa kami kasi may mga nakikita kami doon na familiar na mga items or products na nakita namin sa Shanghai before. Kasi we worked in Shanghai for several number of years, kami ng wife ko. So, we kinda saw some products na familiar sa amin. So, nakakatuwa lang. So, yun. And then, we looked around. Ang dami eh. May mga iba-ibang klase. May mga toys, may pagkain. Merong mga, ano ba yun? Parang noodle wall. But I'll show you guys later ang itsura ng noodle wall. So, ito yung mga toys. Ang dami eh. May mga blind boxes din sila. Later you'll see in the video. So, iba-ibang klase. Feeling ko mas mura siya kaysa sa Pop Mart, I think. But the quality looks the same. So, yun. And, we spent a lot of time walking around the store kasi nga ang laki niya. Tapos ang dami mong makikita. Iba-iba. So, we spent a good amount of time here while waiting for the optometrist for our turn. Ayan, here nagpapabili siya nung parang cardboard na baril. But we told him na hindi nga yan yung parang baril-baril yung talaga na. No? It's made of cardboard na kailangan mong buuin. Ang dami niyan. Ang dami mga iba-ibang itsura na po pwede mong buuin. May shotgun pa nga. Yun, shotgun. Tapos mga houses, mga ganun. So, ito na siya. Ito yung noodle wall na sinasabi ko. Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang dedicated wall siya for a lot of types of noodles from all over the world, I guess. Or baka mostly Asia lang. I did not really check. Pero nakakatuwa lang kasi sobrang bright niya, tapos iba-ibang noodles. Yung kulay ang ganda, nakakatuwa. We also took a picture there kasi nga ang ganda. sobrang dami ng assortment of things na makikita mo. Yan, may mga caps pa, may mga parang blank na caps. So, pwede mo siya i-customize and all. So, you just have to buy the cap, yung blank na cap, and then you just, I don't know, put your name on there. And here, since wala pa naman yung turn namin sa optometrist, we decided to eat muna din. Kumain kami sa Manhan. So, while waiting. And dahil wala pa rin yung sa optometrist namin, dahil ang dami yung pasyente, we told the assistant na baka pwedeng balikan na lang namin later kasi malilate na rin kami sa cinema. Kasi we have booked a certain time. So yan, nandiyan kami sa seat na yan. Gitna lang yun eh. And now ito ay after na ng movie. It was great. Sobrang saya. Umiyak pa nga yung eldest ko. sa, sa movie. So, yeah, they had a lot of fun. Kahit kami ni Mrs. natuwa din kami sa movie. So, it was a really nice follow-up to the original Zootopia. Maganda siya, in fairness. So, ito, legit, papunta na kami doon sa optometrist namin. So, siguro naman, we think na baka wala na siyang pasyente. So, after the movie namin, we went straight to the optometrist to see if she can be accommodated na already. So, right after the optometrist, we went to fully booked. Kasi yung eldest ko gusto niya bumili ng bagong books to read. And dito rin ata nakabili ng parang Lilo and Stitch na blind box yung anak ko, or yung Zootopia na blind box. So, yan. Bumili sila ng books. Pauwi na kami yan. And bubuk na kami ng Grab. Kaya lang, nung nandun na kami, medyo mahirap makabook ng Grab kasi siguro muulan. So, we went to eat muna sa Marugani Udon. Ito na yung parang ginawa namin dinner while waiting para makabook kami ng maayos sa Grab. So, right after dinner, ayan, nagtatry pa rin kami mag-book. Kasi sobrang dami ng nagbo-book siguro. Wala kami mabook as in talagang totally wala. Tsaka umuulan din kasi niyan. So what we did was we ended up walking from the mall all the way to our house. Malapit lang naman, hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. Pero makikita niyo dito sa background na talaga sobrang traffic. And siguro dahil nga umulan, ang daming nagtatry makabook. Kaya hindi rin kami makabook that time. So we ended up walking all the way from the mall to our home. Na sobrang pagod na namin yan. Kasi nga, ang layo na nilakad namin. So, nasa mall kami. We waited for a few hours. And then, so yun. That's basically how our day went. So, thank you very much for watching. And I hope to see you guys next time.